How to sell stocks on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can sell stocks on Cash App, so you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. In order to sell stocks on Cash App, first of all, you have to own a stock. If you do not have a stock, of course, you cannot sell it. So make sure you have a percentage of some kind of stock, could be anything. I'm just going to show you in this video. So over here, you want to open the Cash App, and then you want to come to the, of course, Bitcoin and investing tab from the bottom of the screen. After you come to that tab, you'll be able to see this kind of option where you want to first make sure that you're under the stocks tab and not the Bitcoin tab. So make sure you're under the stock tab where you'll see all this information, but you might want to scroll down a little bit, and when you scroll down, you'll find this little option that is My Portfolio. So My Portfolio is going to show you some of the shares and stocks that you own. So if you own a Tesla share, you can see Tesla and any other shares that you might want to sell. So just go ahead and select your stock that you might want to sell. As you do that, you'll see all the sorts of information. You'll be able to see the progress of the share and everything else. So if you want to sell it, choose the option called sell from the right hand side, and then here you can select all of your stock that you own, or maybe only a percentage of it. So in this case, I'll just choose the option called sell all, and I'll tap on the next button from the bottom. The final step is just simply confirm with your cash pin. So go ahead and enter your cash pin, which means your Cash App pin that you use to make transactions, and then you can see all of the details that is associated with it, the funding source as well as the order type, the share price, the shares, the symbol, the approximate total sell amount, the approximate government fees, as well as the approximate total proceeds. And then just choose the option called confirm from the bottom. Once you've done that, you have sold your stock successfully on Cash App, and that's all it takes to sell stocks on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.